borrow today, driving my truck, me and my brother's truck, the 92 W900. Just got done with the pre-inspection, now letting the truck warm up. Sorry, this camera's not focusing too well, but anyways, this truck is a mechanical N14 in it, the STC, the step timing controller, whatever. And these things smoke like crazy when you start them up. I don't know what it is. This motor has probably 5,000 miles on a rebuild or on an end frame, and it still smokes like crazy. It's just the nature of these old school mechanical Cummins. But yeah, I'm just smoking everybody out in this parking lot, but it is what it is, man. What am I gonna do about it? But I'll about to head over to the pit. I'll get some, try to get a little bit of footage of them loading me up. Well, made it to the pit. We're a little early. There's the crusher screen. This is what we're hauling, this 3-inch Barrow. Just like 3-inch gravel with fines in it almost, but I thought I'd give you a little walk around of the 92 W900. Sounds like a Cummins, can't you tell? Sounds like a tin can, a rattle can. It's got a 1 drop axle. It's like a 16-foot rock bed on it. Sweet truck. It's got the high lift gate. We can haul boulders. That's always kind of fun. It's got somebody put a Peterbilt tank on it. It really bugs me when people Frankenstein stuff together, but I don't know, we bought it like that. It's annoying because we don't have steps to get up and out. Anyways, here's the loader. He's grabbing a load. See if I can get him loading from the mirror. They don't really want you outside while they're loading. I think it's a little dangerous. Not that I would get in the way, but you never know. You can just see the bottom of his bucket. This truck holds 15 tons legally. Around here, they do their best, but sometimes we haul 13, sometimes we haul 16, it just depends. Here he's going to get like a last little quarter bucket. Those front loaders are sick. If nobody's been around that size of front loader before, they'll tower over this dump truck. They could flip this dump truck over no problem, stick his bucket under there and flip me right over like a pancake if you wanted to. I know you guys would rather see an outside angle, but this is the best I can do right now. Maybe I can get some dumping videos. Well, like I said, we're right at just over 13.5 tons. We grossed 51,300. Looks like this truck weighs about 12 tons, 24,000 pounds. So yeah, there you go. We don't get paid by the ton out here out west, but we get paid by the hour. I know the guys, or at least I've heard the guys out in the south, or not south, Midwest, maybe the south, they get paid by the ton. I guess that's why all those trucks, when I see them on like truck paper and stuff, they've got those huge freaking beds, like super tall beds. I don't know why they run those, because everyone out here, we just run normal, like slant. Like our bed's pretty shallow actually. I mean, it'll hold 15, but compared to others, it's a little on the shallow side, but we don't mind. We're cool hauling lighter than we can haul, because that means less wear and tear on the truck. So there you go. loaded, heading out to the dump site. Going down this dirt road. The sun's pretty bright. Man, and these old trucks, these dirt roads are gnarly. It's like, it feels way worse when you're driving a new truck. Guess that's how it goes though, right? I bet I need new kingpins or tie rods or whatever down there. They're probably a hair loose. It feels fine on road, but once you get off road and it's bumpy, man, it feels like the whole freaking cab is gonna rattle off. Especially these old Kenworth doors. It's like a piece of cardboard. Kind of poorly built, in my opinion. I love Kenworth. This is my favorite brand of truck. I think the other parts of the truck, like that ceiling, that is sick. The rest of it, it's a pretty sick truck. But it's mostly just the doors. That's what I hear all day long. It's that crap rattling around. But anyways, it's a pretty view. People are building a big old house out there. Probably see the home site. That's where we're dumping. We get about 8 loads a day, about an hour round trip. Been doing this for about a month, and I think we'll be doing it for at least another month or 2 longer. So hope you don't get sick of seeing this view. I don't know, maybe we're working on getting another truck, so I guess the interior, the cab view might change. Hopefully. We're looking at a couple of different trucks, like some mid-2000 T800s, possibly same year Peterbilt. I actually really like Western Stars. We could probably get a newer Western Star, like a 2010 to 2015 for like the same price. We can get a Kenworth or Peterbilt. And I like Western Stars. I've driven Western Stars, and I love the Detroit motors. The DD15 and 16 are super sick motors. And the Western Stars are heavy duty. At least I think so. But I don't know, which truck do you guys like more? Kenworth, Peterbilt, Western Star? I'll tell you what, the Kenworths have the Peterbilt's beat on interior. Those mid-2000 Peterbilts, like, I don't know when they changed the interior design, like 2000s, it's like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Freaking garbage. Those interiors suck. Those steering wheels are the cheapest steering wheels I've ever seen. Every single one of them I've been in is just all the like rubber crap is rubbed off of them. Garbage. And they're super plain. The interiors, I don't know. Not a fan. The Kenworths are better, but they have the same steering wheel problem. But overall, I like the Kenworth interior better. I decided to mount the camera to the back glass of the cab and do a time lapse. This is from the pit to the dump site. It's a really pretty drive, so I thought it would be sweet to film a time lapse and see how it turned out. Alright, we're gonna dump this load. This is load number 3, I think. Yeah, number 3. Sorry, you can't really see much. It's hard to back up and do the camera at the same time. I'll try to film it dumping out this back glass here. Not as cool as seeing it from outside the cab, but I can't really dump anything without being inside the truck, so I'll have to get some other outside dump footage when my brother's working too, when I'm in one truck and he's in the other. drove up on my pile a little bit. Anyways, release the tailgate, emergent or parking brake. Let's see, clutch in, PTO, bed raise. Take this off. That's what the time lapse was on. This bed goes up super duper slow, but it comes down super fast. So it's one or the other. Need to clean that window. That thing is freaking dirty. Anyways, we're getting there slowly but surely. Sometimes I release my parking brake when I get too close to the other pile, and it'll kind of push you away like that. So you're not like lifting the back of your truck or ripping mud flaps and things like that. But anyways, load number 3 dumped. What's up? Lower down. There we go. Now I'm in frame. Just dropped my 8 load. It's going fast today. The pit's really slow, so I'm like the only truck. When I pull in, I'm like the only truck there, so I just pull up the pile, boom, get loaded, get scaled, get my ticket, and I'm out. So it's been going fast today. Usually we only get 8 loads, but I'm like going back for load 9. I could probably do 10 if I wanted to, but I think I'm gonna call it at 9. I've got some stuff to handle, but anyways, it's been kind of a lazy day. Just hanging out in the truck by myself. You get kind of bored being a truck driver. Not much to do. You can only listen to so much music before you've heard it all, right? So I listen to some podcasts. Sometimes I listen to some or watch some YouTube videos in the background. Just trying to keep my mind busy, or else I just get lost in who knows where, La La Land, thinking about who knows what. But anyways, it's been good. You guys probably want to see like some shifting or something, but I don't know if I can get not quite. Not gonna work. We'll get it figured out. We'll get a better setup if these videos get, are popular or whatever. I'm thinking about getting a GoPro mounted on the bed. That way I can just flip it on when I go into the pit, and you guys can see, get a sweet view from top of the bed getting loaded, and then when I dump, it'll be a lot better too. But I don't know, what else do you guys want to see? What do you want to hear about? I mean, tell me what you want, and I will do my best to make the people happy. I started these videos because I used to watch some dump truck YouTube stuff when I was starting. Sorry, this camera's wagging. I'm on the dirt road again. But before I started, I was watching YouTube videos of other people like Brian Van Dyne, I think is how you say his name, and the country CEO. That's a cool dude right there. That is a freaking positive, motivating dude. I dig the country CEO. Shout out to the country CEO. He gave me some motivation before I started. Me and my brother have only been in the game for a year in November. And it was nice listening to, just trying to get all the information we could, real world stuff, Who else? There's Justin Sturgill. He's good. He's good. He's more like on the business side and repair stuff. But I like his videos. They're straight to the point. You guys are gonna be freaking out because this video's wagging, but I don't know what to tell you. I'm doing the best I can. Yeah, Justin's are good. I dig it all. I just soak up whatever information's out there. I think I have a lot to offer. Me and my brother could, tell you all our mistakes, what we would have done differently, what we're gonna do in the future. We'll tell you how much money you need to start, just kind of how it all works. It's not all, rainbows and sunshine, I'll tell you that. It was tough goings at first. I'm just coming to a freaking coasting stop because I can't find a gear. I'm all sidetracked. I went from going like 20 miles an hour to like 2. But good thing I'm on like a rural dirt road, or else I'd be pissing some people off. But anyways, I think I can add some valuable information, some real world stuff. I'll be honest with you guys. Ask me whatever you want. Yes, my insurance is outrageous. I pay like $1,800 a month in insurance. My brother's CDL is brand new, and we're a brand new company, well, ish. It's outrageously expensive, but just a little game for you. In the words of the CEO, dump trucking is super expensive. Everything costs a lot of money. Your tires, your fuel. I mean, any sort of breakdown on a dump truck, it's like a $5,000 minimum. Plus the downtime at the mechanics. I mean, it's, you gotta have a lot of motivation and a lot of grit to keep going. It's tough. If you can't afford brand new, which I don't think a lot of new guys can. I don't know how you could. It's $250,000, $300,000 for a new truck right now, but whatever. I'm just rambling on. This will probably be the end of the video. I don't know what else to show you guys. I'm sure you want to see more dumping and getting loaded and, the cool stuff we all want to see, right? We all want to see the dump truck dumping the dirt, it's freaking beautiful. That's a sight to see. I can't deny that. But I'll work on it, get the GoPro mounted up there, work on a few things. But yeah, I'll just keep making some videos, see what you guys like, and then we'll give the people what they want. But I'm hot and I'm sweaty. I need to get the freaking air conditioning hooked up in this truck. The guy we bought it from, or the guy before him, freaking ripped all the AC off. There's no compressor, there's no bracket, there's no freaking lines, there's nothing. So trying to get a bracket made, had to go buy a compressor, clutch, had to go get all the lines made because Kenworth doesn't have any in stock for a 92 W900. Anyways, rambling on. But yeah, I'm excited to do these videos. I hope it interests a lot of people. Hope I can put out some good content. I would appreciate the thumbs up or thumbs down, whatever. Let me know what's good, what's bad, and then some subscriptions. We do more than dump trucking. We like dirt bikes, snowmobiles, rock crawling. We like lots of good stuff. So check out other videos we'll be making, and we'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one.